Yeah, hello everyone. Now, in this session, we are going to take an example of by using the Revolve feature. So, I'm taking an example of this bottle. Okay. So, normal bottle you can create, but this bottle, how we can go with these exact curves? You can see, na? You can see these are the exact curves are there. So let's try to do how we can import this image in our Fusion work. Here you can see in the insert option, we have an option for a canvas. Click on canvas. Uh, just look for where you have saved that. So now select the plane where you want that picture. Now here you can see that the picture is somewhere around at the origin. I want to just extend, scaled it up, let make it 50 so that my dimension which I want to apply that can easily work on that. Now here you can see that on this particular plane I have this picture. So this picture is only to get those curves in our sketch. So now let's try with the go to the sketch, select the same plane, and here I will use the spline one. In this the spline you have the two options. The first one is the fit point spline and control point spline. I will here use the fit point spline because that will be generally used to draw these curves. Okay. So more focusedly, just you have to trace the outer line. Just click the points as the outer periphery of that and it will create a curve for you. So now I am drawing. Okay. So this is, let's say the curve ends here. That is fine. Now after that, here you can see let's a kind of a bump or whatever the how much the detail you want to add, you can apply according to that. But keep that in mind that in the end, all the points should be connected to each other. So now let me complete. You can see here you can end your sketch. Now here at the bottom, I will start from where I left it. Done and done. Okay. So from here I'm not focusing on these cards. The cards I will draw with some other method, but let me just focus on the side profile only. So here I will go up and again I will take a line to make a half cross section of that. Yes, we're done. No, we have left with this middle part. So I will take a line and join these two endpoints. Okay. Now I have this half section curve here. Let me finish the sketch. You can also suppress, you can just hide this picture. You go to the timeline where you have the image, right click and you will click on the suppress feature. So I'm only interested in this outer feature of that. Now here I will use the revolve feature. I have defined the half cross section. Here we have revolve. Now I need to define about which axis I need to revolve that. I will select the middle one. I can also select the line or edge or also select the axis as well. Now click on OK. Now here you can see that with the help of image, I can create the same bottle on my screen. Now, have you seen that there is a cut over there? We can also do that. There is some profile was there by which we need to sweep cut. Okay, let's try to do that. I will take the again the middle plane. Here I will use the slice option and I will define and a 3-point arc, let's say, which pass through the edge. Okay, something like that. I can also alter it little bit inside so that there will be a good cut. Now finish the sketch. Here I define the path which is passed through inside the bottle. Now I need to define the profile. How I can do that? Go to the construct, again plane along the path, select this path, point. Here you have the perpendicular, yeah, plane. Now here I can define, if you see the bottle in front of you, so you will find there is a path of the shape like this which is cut from there. Okay, okay, not take a line circle. I need to take a line. I want to take a line. Just make it tangent. Do it from the other end as well. The same profile. I want to make it symmetric. The rest of the portion I will go to and trim that. Close profile is here. Finish the sketch. Okay. Now let's try to cut this. Let's see how it works. Go to the sweep. Select the profile. Then select the path. Now you can see it's a good cut. Yes, it's a good cut, but okay. I just want to change a little bit. The path, I want to make it little far away from that. I think that will give me a good cut. That will come according to the whenever you practice or something, you will find that okay. You can see that I only need the cut over the bottom portion. Earlier it was just above that. Okay, so I can do this. Okay, a good cut was there. Cut it and okay. So now you have this cut like this. Okay, you can do more from your end. Means you know how to do that, and you can try. Now I will apply the fillet. Okay, the fillet and the fillet over there. Let's take a edge of 5. Okay, let's take it 10. Because there are good amount of surface cut, so I will apply a fillet, something like this. Yes, that works. Now I can need the multiple copy of that. Go to the circular pattern, select the features, whatever you want. Select the axis, about which axis, Y. Okay, now apply the value of 5. Okay, yes. Now it worked like this. Good. Fine. So in this we have applied now. You can see that our bottle is having it solid. Now I want to make it hollow or something. So we have a direct option by which we can make it hollow. How we can do that? There is an option which is called as a shell. The shell is generally used to make the things hollow. Now apply the shell, select the top surface which I want to remove. He can apply the thickness or what thickness they can accept. Let make it will accept 3. Yeah, it's showing an error, so make it 2. So according to the some arbitrary values, you can see that up to what end it will accept those. Because we also have some cut over there, so it will also need to show. You can see that from the inside, the same profile of same thickness is visible to you now. Now, yeah, this is look good. Now, can I just apply some more to complete that? Now, in the extrude, can I select the outer curve, directly extrude? I can do in the same way along with that. Can I draw a one bottle cap? Let's try to draw a one bottle cap. Finish. I can extrude. Yeah, that's complete. Now here you can have to just press the control button and select all of them. Go in the downward direction, make it join, and okay, we're done. Now let's apply the fillet. Apply the value, let's say 10 or something. Cap. Can we do more something here? Yes. Can we make some holder or something shaped like this to for a cut, like a cut or something? Uh, I think this is. Can I apply the dimension? Yeah. Let make it 2. Just drag this. Okay. Come from the dimension. Drag this. Yeah. Okay. Now apply the extrude option. Make it cut. Yeah, it's look fine. Good. Now can I apply the circular pattern for that? Apply circular pattern, select this as a feature, select the axis, how many copies you require, 25. Let's make it 35. Okay, yeah, it looks fine. Yeah, it's look like a complete bottle we have. You can also do some naming also, how we can do that. Uh, for that, first you have to write something. Let's take an offset and take a plane outside of the body. Use this, draw a sketch. Here you have an option which is called as a text. The text is there. Now I can make one box. Yes. Can apply right. Coca. Cola. Fine. I can increase the height or something. Let make it 30. Not fitted. Let make it 80. Too large. Let make it 65. Yeah, it will good. Yeah, you can also change the character spacing as well. If you want to increase the space between them, you can also do that. Okay, once you're done with this, you can just move your text somewhere you want to fit. Yeah, done. Now, how we can emboss that? We have an option directly, emboss. Emboss option is where we have the emboss option. Now, just click on the emboss, specify the text, then click on the face where you want. Now you can see here you will have. If you want to give some depth or height or something, it will also work. The cut, like the portion will be cut like this, or you can also give some depth also. Now click on OK. Now, yeah, this is we have a complete tutorial for that. I hope you like that and please try something from your end also to use this. Thank you very much.